Sweep.
Sweep.
扫
I need to sweep the floor every morning.
I need to sweep the floor every morning.
我每天早上需要扫地。
Dust.
Dust.
擦灰尘
Don't forget to dust the shelves.
Don't forget to dust the shelves.
别忘了擦书架上的灰尘。
Mop.
Mop.
拖地
I will mop the kitchen after cooking.
I will mop the kitchen after cooking.
煮完饭后，我会拖厨房的地。
Laundry.
Laundry.
洗衣服
I do the laundry every Sunday.
I do the laundry every Sunday.
我每个星期天都会洗衣服。
Vacuum.
Vacuum.
吸尘
Vacuuming the carpet is necessary weekly.
Vacuuming the carpet is necessary weekly.
每周吸一次地毯是必要的。
Iron.
Iron.
熨衣
I need to iron my shirt for the meeting.
I need to iron my shirt for the meeting.
我需要为会议熨烫我的衬衫。
Wipe.
Wipe.
擦拭
Please wipe the table after dinner.
Please wipe the table after dinner.
晚餐后请擦拭桌子。
Organize.
Organize.
整理
I will organize the garage this weekend.
I will organize the garage this weekend.
我这周末会整理车库。
Wash windows.
Wash windows.
洗窗户
Washing windows can be tiring.
Washing windows can be tiring.
洗窗户可能很累人。
Dusting.
Dusting.
擦灰尘
Dusting the furniture is important.
Dusting the furniture is important.
擦家具上的灰尘很重要。
Scrub.
Scrub.
洗刷
Scrub the bathtub once a week.
Scrub the bathtub once a week.
每周洗刷一次浴缸。
Fold laundry.
Fold laundry.
折衣服
I have to fold laundry this afternoon.
I have to fold laundry this afternoon.
我今天下午的折衣服。
Take out trash.
Take out trash.
倒垃圾
Don't forget to take out the trash tonight.
Don't forget to take out the trash tonight.
今晚别忘了倒垃圾。
Vacuuming.
Vacuuming.
吸尘
Vacuuming the living room is my Saturday chore.
Vacuuming the living room is my Saturday chore.
每周六我负责吸客厅的地。
Disinfect.
Disinfect.
消毒
Disinfect the countertops regularly.
Disinfect the countertops regularly.
定期消毒台面。
Polish.
Polish.
擦亮，上光。
I polish the silverware before special occasions. I polish the silverware before special occasions.
特殊场合前我会擦亮银器。
Declutter.
Declutter.
减少杂乱。
It's time to declutter the study room.
It's time to declutter the study room.
是时候整理书房，减少杂乱了。
Change sheets. Change sheets.
换床单。
We change sheets every 2 weeks.
We change sheets every 2 weeks.
我们每2周换一次床单。
Clean the fridge.
Clean the fridge.
清理冰箱。
I clean the fridge once a month.
I clean the fridge once a month.
我1个月清理一次冰箱。
Air out.
Air out.
通风。
It's good to air out the bedrooms in the morning.
It's good to air out the bedrooms in the morning.
早上通风卧室是个好习惯。
Rearrange.
Rearrange.
重新排列。
I like to rearrange the living room occasionally.
I like to rearrange the living room occasionally.
我偶尔喜欢重新排列客厅的布局。
Clean mirrors.
Clean mirrors.
擦拭镜子。
Clean mirrors can really brighten a room.
Clean mirrors can really brighten a room.
擦亮镜子真的能让房间亮堂起来。
Water plants.
Water plants.
浇灌植物。
I water the plants every other day.
I water the plants every other day.
我每隔1天浇一次植物。
Sort recycling.
Sort recycling.
分类回收物。
Sorting recycling is an important task.
Sorting recycling is an important task.
分类回收物是一项重要的工作。
Dust the blinds.
Dust the blinds.
擦洗百叶窗。
Don't forget to dust the blinds.
Don't forget to dust the blinds.
别忘了擦洗百叶窗。
Sanitize.
Sanitize.
消毒。
Sanitize the kitchen surfaces regularly.
Sanitize the kitchen surfaces regularly.
定期对厨房表面进行消毒。
Clean the oven.
Clean the oven.
清洗烤箱。
It's time to clean the oven thoroughly.
It's time to clean the oven thoroughly.
是时候彻底清洗烤箱了。
Scrub the floor. Scrub the floor.
刷洗地板。
Scrub the floor to remove tough stains.
Scrub the floor to remove tough stains.
刷洗地板以去除顽固污渍。
Tidy the room.
Tidy the room.
整理房间。
I'll tidy the room before our guests arrive.
I'll tidy the room before our guests arrive.
在客人到来前，我会整理房间。
Unload dishwasher.
Unload dishwasher.
卸载洗碗机。
Unloading the dishwasher is part of my morning routine.
Unloading the dishwasher is part of my morning routine.
卸载洗碗机是我早晨例行公事的一部分。